video I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this look. First I'm going to use this Lakme 925cc cream. Next I'm going to be using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. Next I'll be using this Maybelline New York the Nude palette, the shade. Then I'll use this Nykaa's Black Magic Liquid Eyeliner. I'm going to be using this shade from the same palette to do my eyebrows. I'm going to use this Maybelline Eye Studio Gel Eyeliner to draw a line. Now I'm going to color this part red. Then yellow. Then green. Then blue. And at last purple. Now I'm going to use the same liquid eyeliner from Nykaa, color my nose black. I'm going to use the same Maybelline New York the Nude palette and use the black color. I'm going to put concealer in the boxes. I'm going to fill those with white color. Now I'm going to take the Nykaa Black Magic Liquid Liner and line those again. Now I'm going to use this Lakme Hyper Curling Mascara. And the look is complete. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like it and comment down below what video you want to see next, and subscribe so you are around to see it. Thank you. Bye.